Right. You see, when you do hair transplant, it's your body parts, right? So you really need someone who's capable, who's really reliable to do it. So in this, I actually trust Datuk, and I believe that he's going to do the best for this. Alhamdulillah, hari baru selesai prosedur ni. Tadi Datuk datang and consult me sebelum start prosedur ni. Datuk actually consult me. My main problem is actually receding hairline. Jadi Datuk datang and then Datuk dah consult me about this. It was very helpful and he's very professional. After that, the procedure is not so painful. I think if I give a scale, maybe if I say 1 to 5, I would say around 1 or maybe 1.5. Just macam gigit semut je lah like that. And then it's very calm in this room. There's a TV in front of me. Actually, I feel calm, and then all the staff was very polite and they entertained me quite a lot. So after this, Ariff akan datang lagi untuk cuci, and then kita akan tengok the result lah after a few days. Thank you so much.